full night I soak in water and give for only 2 whistles. This is gram dal. Gram dal I boil and keep it here, see, with cooker. Hello viewers, see I'm finished to grind the coconut choke 70%. After I add 2 tomatoes, again I'm going to grind the 100% paste. Okay, teaspoon oil. Masala whole. Boiling the egg also. ये थोड़ा से ब्राउन होना है. I am going to do the burmese food own khao with gram dal. Own khao. I am not using chicken. I am using only egg. Little bit turmeric powder and chicken powder. Okay, this is not compulsory, option. Okay, option. I have, then only I am adding. If you don't have, it's okay, no issue. Now I am going to add the gram dal, boiled gram dal. Okay. See here. And I will going to add a little salt also. Before already I added when I am frying the onion. Not thick, little thin you want. I am going to add the water now. Yes, I am going to add the either 1 liter or half. I am going to make the egg ono khao Burmese style. Not Burmese style as my style, because I am using here tomato also. This is for boiling noodles. Finish to boil egg. See here noodles. Okay. Hello viewers, see I am going to boil the noodles. This should be boil only 60%. Then keep the lid for 5 minutes, okay, and off the stove. My dal also ready. Gram dal with coconut paste. We are going to eat some item we will going to add also. I will show you when I will eat, okay? Viewers, see here 60% off the stove. Off. Keep for 1 minute with lid, okay? Only 1 minute, okay? The dal is ready. My dal is... Here, see, I'm going to wash the cold water, otherwise it becomes sticky. See, not sticky, okay? Finish. My noodle also ready. Hi viewers, this is egg ono khao as Burmese style, and add the lemon also, okay? I will do next time chicken, okay? See, this is my lunch. This is very good and very healthy, okay? Viewers, now I mix well. See the salt, if you require salt you can add, and chili flakes also, and lemon also. I add how much I need, okay, my capacity. Thank you.